Today's featured car of the day is a 1958 Rambler Supercross Country station wagon. And I'll read from the seller's comments at the auction. And seller stated 1958 Rambler Supercross Country wagon, rare Supercross Country wagon, four-door model. Only a handful were built and only a few are known to exist. This one has only 26,739 original miles. And it's a beautiful two-tone Supercross Country, has been nicely restored in and out. Exterior turquoise robin on deep sea blue metallic paint on the roof with the chrome roof rack accent. Interior also has been restored with beautiful two-tone light blue, dark blue with silver piping. The Supercross Country wagon is equipped with a factory 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed manual transmission. Nicely detailed engine compartment. Includes factory manual and old school picnic kit for show and shine or your cross-country excursion. And it's sold for $22,750 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And this one was definitely an eye catcher. It was beautiful with the two-tone paint in and out, and they did a nice restoration on it. Anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1958 Rambler Supercross Country station wagon, restored with only 26,739 original miles, and it sold for $22,750 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.